Then next question. Determine I1 in the circuit of the figure if the controlling quantity A is equals to, this A is 2I2 and B is 2Vx. Two different questions are there. First we will see 2I2. A is given as 2I2. See, I took here A is equals to 2I2. Right, apply KVL to both. Already the directions are given. Apply KVL to both. KVL to mesh 1, then you will get the equation as like this, that is 2 minus 2I1 minus 5 into I1 minus I2 plus 2I2. You need to start solving this so that you will understand how I am writing the KVL equations. So you need to start solving them. Then apply KVL to mesh 2, or you will get minus 5 into I2 minus I1 minus 3I2 plus 6 minus 4I2 equals to 0. After writing, you will get the second equation. Solving them to, you will get I1 value. We want I1 value. We found the I1 value. Okay.